Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to walk through how to convert an Exchange EDB file to a PST file using a tool called Stellar Converter for EDB. Now, before we jump in, if you are new here to this channel, so this channel is all about IT, cloud, Microsoft infrastructure. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss anything. All right, let's get into it. So, firstly, why would you even need to convert an EDB file to PST? So, EDB file is an Exchange database file. It is the proprietary database format used by Microsoft Exchange servers to store all the mailbox data, which includes your email, calendars, contact, tasks, everything. Now, there are several real world scenarios where you would need to extract that data out into a PST format. So, it is Exchange server migration. Let's say you are decommissioning an old on premise Exchange server and you need to preserve mailbox data before shutting it down. Legal or compliance, wherein you need to export data in a PST format for audit purposes. It is moving to Microsoft 365 where you want to move your data to Microsoft 365 cloud. So in all of these cases, as PST is a portable universal format that Outlook can open directly, so this makes it a reliable intermediary for our mailbox data. Like we export EDB to PST and then use that PST. So the tool which we are going to use is called Stellar EDB to PST converter, as you can see on my screen. It is a third party tool which is specifically designed to open and extract data from Exchange EDB files. This tool can export to your primary mailboxes, archive mailboxes, and also the public folders, and there is no size limitation. In today's video, we will be focusing on the unmounted EDB scenario. So we will have a EDB file on our machine, which is unmounted from the Exchange server, and then we will convert it to a PST file. So let me show you how to download and install this tool. So it's pretty easy. You just download and go through the wizard, and then the tool is installed. It is downloaded, and let's go through the installation quickly. So this is the installation location, default program files. The tool is installed, so let's launch the tool. When we launch the tool, we get two options here. The first one is hosted Exchange, where it connects to the live Exchange server. And the second one is offline EDB. So we are going to use this option. And then we will browse to the EDB file, which is there in the downloaded folder. Then click next. So it has imported the EDB file and it has these two mailboxes in it with all the items. So we're gonna save it as a PST. We will click on save mailbox and we need to activate it. So I'll do that quickly. Let me get the key. So activation is completed. Now it's giving me these options. What I want to do, I want to export it to live Exchange server or M365 in place archive public folder, M365 public folder, or save as PST. So we will select save as PST. Destination downloads folder. So this is fine. It will save the copy in the downloads folder on my machine. We'll click on OK. So it has found two mailboxes in it, and this is their processing order. Click on next. And now we'll see the progress here. And once it's done, we'll have the PST file ready. It is completed. So here's the PST file for the two mailboxes which I had, Jack and Alexa. Okay, now let's import it in Outlook. Let's import those PSTs in Outlook. Here I am in Outlook. I will go under File, Open and Export. Open Outlook data file. So they are under my Downloads folder. Add both of them. Both the PSTs have been added, and I could see all the content in these PSTs. And that's it. That's how you convert an Exchange EDB file to PST using Stellar Converter for EDB, from download all the way through to importing into Outlook. So this is a really solid tool whether preserve some legacy mailbox data. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps the channel. Drop any question in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.